Good morning students. Now today we are going to discuss the topic friction by fluids. What is fluids? The substance which can flow are called fluid. Liquid and gases flows, so it are considered to be fluids. The liquid and gases also exert friction on the bodies moving through them. When an object moves through the air, it pushes the air out of the way and the air moves over the object's sides and pushes back on the object. This push on the object is called air resistance or drag. Example, the fall of a feather is opposed by the air resistance. The feather falls on the ground slowly due to the friction exerted by air, that is called air resistance or drag. As for example, you take one sheet of paper and hold it flat at some height. Now when it is started to falling down, we noted the time it take to reach the ground. Now again the same sheet of paper crumpled into the small piece and again fall from the same height. Then we will observe that time taken in the first case is more than the second case. This is because the friction of air is more in the first case than in the second case. That is, the value of air resistance depends on the size and shape of the object. Many cars are designed streamline shape, that is shape so that air resistance is low, and when the car moves forward, the car's body is designed like a wedge to cut its way through the air, and the surfaces are curved to allow the air to flow over the sides with a minimum drag. The shapes that are designed to reduce air resistance are called streamlined shape. As in air, when an object moves through water, it pushes the water out of the way, and the water moves over the object sides and pushes back on the object. This push on the object is called water resistance. Objects that can move through water quickly have a streamlined shape. A fish which moves quickly through the water has a much more streamlined shape than a slow moving sunfish. Dolphins are streamlined to reduce friction. So the water resistance also affects the movement of the ship and boats on the water surface. Thank you.